boys and girls, and welcome to Growing Guitar OneRepublic. You recognize them, and yeah, they recently had this new album, Artificial Paradise. And if you like this album, then stay tuned here on Growing Guitar. We're gonna go for a couple songs from that latest album, and we're gonna start with this one, Red Light, Green Light. All right, we are in traffic now. So red light, green light, we are free here on the fretboard, no use for any capo. We have 4 chords that goes in the same order through the entire song, and we're gonna look at the chords first and then how to use them in a strumming pattern. So first, we're gonna look at C. It goes 3rd on A, 2nd on D, open G, 1st B, and open E. Next chord is G. So that is 3rd on E, 2nd on A, open D, open G, 3rd B, 3rd E. We have B7. So that's a bar chord where you play the bar on the 2nd fret and you bar 5 strings from bottom and up like this. And then you need to add 4th on D and 4th on B. And the final chord is E minor. So that is open E, 2nd A, 2nd D, open G, open B, and open E. All right, so the strumming pattern here covers 2 chords. That means we have 2 different parts in the strumming. So we're gonna look at the first transition here from C to G. And then we're gonna apply the same principle for the next 2 chords, the B minor and E minor. And that's it. So first 2 chords, C to G. So grab the C chord, and the first part that is played for this chord will be down, down, clap. That's it. So, right? So down, down, clap, and then you shift chord, in this case to G, and play part 2, and that will be down, 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 clap, down. So 3 downs, 1 clap, and 1 down. Easy, huh? So that's it. Part 1, down, down, clap. Part 2, down, 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 clap, down. And now you use the same patterns for B7 and E minor. So B7 is played in the same way as C, down, down, clap, part 1. And then you shift to the final chord, E minor, and play part 2, down, 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 clap, down. In the same way as you played the G. So, slowly, one round goes like this. And it goes like that through the entire song. And in tempo, it goes something like this. So that covers red light, green light. And if you love OneRepublic, stay tuned here on Growing Guitar. More is coming up from that new album, Artificial Paradise. Hope you enjoyed this specific tutorial, and if you did, give me a this on it. Okay, thumb up, give me a like, subscribe to this channel, and see you soon. Play tuned.